Here's how to navigate a prenuptial agreement without breaking up your marriage. So first, I think you have to acknowledge the fact that a prenuptial agreement can come at a worse time. Here you are on the threshold of your marriage, looking forward to a happy relationship together, filled with love and wonderful things. And what are you talking about? You're talking about death and divorce, doom and gloom, probably the last two things you want to talk about prior to your marriage. But if you have to talk about those things, it's best to talk about those things in the exact same way that you're going to approach your marriage. And what does that mean? In the olden days, someone had the idea that they would draw up a prenuptial agreement, they'd hand it to their spouse would hand it to their attorney, and this agreement would go back and forth 6 or 7 times with a lot of revisions and a lot of heartache and anger and a lot of tears. The couple would be talking about it behind closed doors, the attorneys would be talking about it amongst themselves, everybody would be sent back to talk about it again and again. The better way to navigate a prenuptial agreement is to do it transparently. Get into the room with your spouse, with your attorneys, and talk to them about your goals. So the attorneys should be working hard for you in achieving your goals. If somebody wants to keep an asset and wants to keep it as theirs, that's fine. But the question that you should be asking, that everyone should be asking, especially on the verge of your marriage, is what is going to be ours? I think every couple, no matter how young or how old, wants to create something that is theirs together. So it's fine if somebody wants to keep something as their own, but what is going to be ours? And talk about that in front of the attorneys and ask them how you could create those things. So if you want to have a successful prenuptial agreement, do it the exact same way that you're going to do your marriage. Do it in a way that's transparent and cooperative. I'm Kevin Chroman. I'm a family law mediator and a collaborative divorce specialist, and I'm located in the greater Los Angeles area.